Do you like hiking in waterfalls?
Well, today we're going to Shannon Falls and hiking the Stawamus Chief in Squamish, British Columbia.
That's what we're fixing to show you.
Hey y'all, I'm Cole.
And I'm Connor.
And we're younger every day.
On this channel, we share tips and tricks for RV living, do product reviews, and take you on awesome adventures just like this one.
That's right. If you haven't seen some of our other videos, you can check them out right up here. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified every time we post a new adventure. Then what? Now let's head to the Chief.
Uh-huh.
All right, now let's head to the falls and the Chief.
The whole family went to Brandywine Falls, north of Squamish, and now we had some dinner, dropped the girls off at the Airbnb, and the boys are headed to Shannon Falls and maybe the Chief. I think there's a more complete name, but everyone calls this mountain Chief.
Yeah.
And it says that it has, I think, 3 different peaks you can hike to. The first hike is very family friendly according to the literature and other people in town, so we're going to check that out and see what we think about it.
We are at Shannon Falls. Let's see if I can zoom in on it from here. It is really, we came around the corner and we're just like, whoa, that's awesome. We gotta go check that out. Let's go see if we can get a little closer.
We've started our ascent. I thought we would just go ahead and shoot some footage as we go, so let's do this thing, Connor. Good bump, boom. All right. Oh, it looks like we're just getting up to the falls, so maybe this is just the best place to see the falls from. I guess that's it. So there we are behind me. Hopefully we can see that.
There we go. Not as powerful as what we saw in Twin Falls, Idaho at Shoshone Falls, but certainly very impressive.
So we made the hike. It's really minor. We thought it was going to be more to get up to the top, and instead it is just another viewing point for the falls. So I can see if I can get that over my shoulder here.
A nice closer view. That's beautiful. See all the water hitting right there. It's very majestic, very peaceful. It's shaded, nice and cool, not too crowded at this point.
So Shannon Falls definitely must stop. If you are anywhere near Squamish, north of Vancouver, headed to Whistler, this is like a 15-minute stop. Super impressive just to do this. Now we may still mess around and see if we can find the trail up. I haven't seen any signs yet, although I did see this one sign over here. So I think that means no free climbing here. Area closed, do not enter, extreme hazard beyond this point. So we won't be passing that point. Majestic, amazing. Makes me want to see what's up top. Hopefully we'll bring the family here tomorrow, the next day, because it's a super easy hike. I think it's a little steep. Just had, I don't know, 30 steps or something up, so we had a little bit of elevation, but not much. So we'll go see if we can find a trail to go on.
Right, so we've begun our ascent of Stawamus Chief. I'm assuming I'm saying that right, who knows? Take a look at what's ahead. Lots of stairs. This is pretty cool, but it is definitely pretty steep. Connor and I were just talking about how this is not exactly a family-friendly hike for people with young children. Connor and I have been hiking for probably
30 minutes? Yeah, 30
20 minutes. 30?
Yeah. We've been here since 7:30.
It's a little tiring. I definitely don't think this is a family-friendly hike unless your kids are 10 or up, and only then if they're fairly athletic, because it's a good workout for Connor and me. In any case, we're doing all right. It's pretty cool. Hopefully we're gonna get a big payoff at sunset here in just a little bit. According to Connor, we've been at it for an hour and 25 minutes. But about 5 or 10 minutes ago, we finally got to a point where we could actually see the skyline. And the sunset over the mountains is amazing. A guy coming down said we just missed it. And I get that we just missed the sun tipping over the mountain peaks. But there's no doubt that is still a glorious view. Connor's waiting up ahead, so I thought I'd see if we could get some shots as we finish this. So there's Connor way up there. So I think we're gonna see if we can finish this out. I don't know if we can finish it on camera or not. We're gonna try it. It's amazing. Ears are popping. Wow. Wow. That is awesome. All right. This is super fun and super tiring. That's just breathtaking.
All right, so we made it. What, this is an hour and 35 minutes. The guy in town told me like 30 to 45 minutes, so.
For speed hikers.
Yeah, for speed hikers, not for us. I mean, we're not like wimps, but I guess we're not, you know,
Speed hikers.
we're not hikers or mountain climbers, but it's definitely a good payoff. I mean, got the cliff behind me, drop off. We've got this amazing view of the sunset over the mountains. Just missed the sun tipping over the mountains, but it's beautiful nonetheless. You can hear the people climbing down from Peak 2. This is amazing. There we go, right there. That's the view we came for. Just gonna walk around a little bit. The neighborhood we're staying in is visible from up here. It's out there. The road we go on is down there. There's the town. I mean, it doesn't get much better than that. Right there. Until you turn this way and look at that over that shoulder. And there's the highway we came in on. We came from Vancouver a couple days ago. The thing about this is it's so quiet. There's people up here, they're all chatting a little bit, but it's so quiet. Adds to the majesty, I think. What do you say?
I'm glad we did it.
Are you glad we did it? Is it peaceful?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
It's nice up here.
It's nice up here, I know. The only sad part is we have to go down eventually. But look what is behind us. Some pretty sweet granite. I'm pretty thankful for it these days. I mean, walking up here, I want to be on this, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that's beautiful. 3 hours later, we have completed our ascent and subsequent descent of the first peak of the Chief. It was fun, right?
Yep.
Younger men, yes. So we'll try to get some more shots of beautiful Squamish and the surrounding areas tomorrow. And you got to look right here, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So here we go.
On this channel, we share tips and trips. Tips and trips.
It's okay. As excited as you were when we hiked,
We're
okay?
recording.
Okay. It doesn't matter. We'll cut it. Ready? Oh, good call. Okay.